their portfolio. What is Arweav? Arweav is blockchain-based data storage platform that help user to storage their documents and other data. It enables serverless web and provide permanent solution for developer and user without downtime. Arweav was introduced in 2018 aimed to create scalable infrastructure for data economy with higher throughput. Arweav has permanently fixed problem of high fees on chain data storage by replacing low-cost solution. In the updated solution Arweav based on Blockweave, proof of access, Wildfire and Blockshadows. However, Blockweave I.e. work as data storage protocol uses proof of access consensus mechanism. Arweav adopted new features that allow nodes to run key network functions without going through full chain. In proof of access enable
부업으로 생활비를 번다고? 도대체 어디서 버는 거지? 그래서 나도 해야
external data storage. Storage can be expandable depending on amount of electricity. However, it has similar working proof of work. Network follows unique economic structure build for miner to ensure uptime for data including fast delivery speed. Entire project pushing decentralized behavior to offer data storage, sharing, collaboration, privacy, and protection. Project introduced Permob I.e. global and community-owned web platform. In Permob where user get paid to maintaining and contribution on the network. Permob will solve issue including 404 error, stealth edits and no web apps with quality loss. The Permin web is built on top of HTTP protocol, and it is collection of interlink web application and document. Arweav future price forecast predictions. According to the graph above, the price is expected to range at around $10.76 by August, reaching $11.63 by October. For anyone buying anytime beforehand, this is a rather nice increase. Arweav price prediction 2022. By 2022 the price is expected to increase somewhere between $11.39 to $14.46. That is a roughly 74.50% average increase from the current price. Arweav price prediction 2025. By the time 2025 rolls around, the graph expects the price to reach sometime close to its original all-time high. This year we can expect to see an average of 198.91% increase, almost double from the current price. April and December are expected when the price is supposed to be the closest. Is Arweav a good investment? Based on the charts above, it does seem like it to be a good investment. Even with the current market, with the amount of positive news about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general, especially DeFi, it will only be a matter of time before the market starts to go back on a bull run trend. However, there is one thing that every investor needs to be aware of, and that is competition. Currently, the biggest competitor by far is Filecoin. Then you also have Siacoin. But Filecoin is currently at the top 30 of all cryptocurrencies on the market. It has a massive war chest with a whole series amount of partnerships. While it is not a guarantee Arweav could be pushed out, it is something to note before investing. Partnership with Solana. One major partnership that has caught a lot of attention was its partnership with Solana. It was announced on July 31, 2020, that Arweav had partnered up with the fastest blockchain, Solana, with a capacity to generate 50,000 transactions per second. It has been estimated that the blockchain would need 4 petabytes of data each year. Clearly, that needs to be stored somewhere. Hence, Solana seeks to utilize Arweav's scalable and permanent data storage by establishing a bridge in order to leverage the amount of storage it will need. This bridge, known as the Solar Bridge, was announced on December 22, 2020. To put things into perspective, Solana chose to partner up with Arweav and not Filecoin, which is currently the top decentralized data storage. Arweav can expect to be very busy storing much of Solana's data in the next year or so. The team, Arweav, was founded by Sam Williams and William Jones, 2 PhD candidates at the University of Kent. Williams came to the project with experience in decentralized and distributed systems, having developed an operating system called Hydros as a part of his studies, while Jones' focus was on graph theory and neural networking. While Williams dropped out of graduate school to focus on the company, Jones left the project early on in mid-2018 and completed his PhD. According to Williams, he came up with the idea while walking up a mountain in Scotland, later bringing the concept to Jones, with whom he developed the technical details. After launching Arweav, Williams was later named an advisor to MindSpider, a company providing blockchain-based supply chain tracking for the raw materials industry. and he has served as a mentor for the Techstars Accelerator program. Although Arweav was founded with centralized leadership, it launched a decentralized autonomous organization in January 2020, which comprised of core community members to further the development and expansion of the network and its ecosystem. Conclusion. In conclusion, Arweav does seem to be a good investment. Its token price has seen a massive drop, which could be a good, if not a great, opportunity to buy. It is also decentralized, making it a point of attraction for any user who wishes to support this growing new way of doing business. However, beware of competition. Filecoin is Arweav's biggest competitor, and if they are not careful, it could completely derail them right out of the market. But in terms of price action alone, the R token does seem to poise to reach its all-time high. And if adoption continues, perhaps it could even go beyond it. Is Arweav a good investment? Based on the charts above, it does seem like it to be a good investment. Even with the current market, with the amount of positive news about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general, especially DeFi, it will only be a matter of time before the market starts to go back on a bull run trend. However, there is one thing that every investor needs to be aware of, and that is competition. Currently, the biggest competitor by far is Filecoin. Then you also have Siacoin. But Filecoin is currently at the top 30 of all cryptocurrencies on the market. It has a massive war chest with a whole series amount of partnerships. While it is not a guarantee Arweav could be pushed out, it is something to note before investing. How to buy Arweav? Arweav can be bought at a few well-known exchanges. The most prominent ones are Binance, Huobi Global, Gate.io, Bittrex, CoinEx, Bitmart, and Bilaxy. It is important to note that only those exchanges that has a sufficient amount of liquidity and volume should be trusted to buy. Trade R. Despite the fact that 100% accurate technical analysis for Arweav cryptocurrency is hardly possible, on this advanced technical analysis tool by TradingView you can see the real-time aggregated R buy and sell rating for selected time frame. The summary for R USD is based on the most popular technical indicators, moving averages, oscillators, and pivots. Wallet Investor R price prediction for 2021, 2023, 2025. According to Wallet Investor, Arweav price will grow from $38.84 to $49.06 in 1 year. That makes R an awesome investment. The long-term earning potential is 26.29%. Predicted price for the end of 2026 is $121.43. Number 2. Trading Beasts R price prediction for 2022. Answering the question about if Arweav is a good investment, Trading Beasts say a resounding no. In the 2021 perspective, this coin price is predicted to reach $26.68 with a growth to $27.36 by the end of 2022. Number 3. Digital Coin R price forecast for 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025. In digital coin analysis, the price of Arweav cryptocurrency will rise in the next 5 years starting from $38.53 as of today's price to $159.77. It will go up to $64.45 by 2022 and continue its growth in 2023 to 2024. Based on this forecast, Arweav is a profitable long-term investment.